In towards Hugh Gill, defending for Arsenal to do. The flag stays down, and what a start it is for Preston North End. And it's Callum Robinson with the goal, and what a start for Simon. His players.
But Kevin Davis said he'd score first, he was right. And what a lovely goal it was, and it all stemmed from the beautiful play from Aidan McGeady, who meant... Dazzling footwork. You see here, it was a lovely ball by Gallagher, wasn't it? Aidan McGeady, and Monreal just falls asleep really. Gabriel's playing everybody on side. But a little bit fortuitous there, hasn't he? He was in the right place at the right time. A nice little tap in for Callum Robinson. Poor defensive work by Arsenal. And Preston reap the benefits.
Well, that's Callum Robinson's 6th goal of the season, which makes him the joint leading scorer here for Preston North End. It's only the 4th time he's scored in the FA Cup, and all 3 goals before tonight. This time Pearson doesn't complete the tackle. Now Lucas Perez! Oh, it's a perfect start for Arsenal with Ramsey. What a fantastic strike from Aaron Ramsey. First goal of the season, and just when they needed it, the man who scored the winner in the cup final pops up with a goal to get them level.
Yeah, 50 seconds into the second half. He didn't take the shot in the first half, he certainly took the shot in the second half, didn't he? And he smashed it in the back of the net. Alex Iwobi does really well, good strength. Sees Ramsey, one touch, wallet. Goalkeeper, no chance. Great strike by Aaron Ramsey. You see the goalkeeper was just slightly unsightly, wasn't he? I think it was Cunningham in his way. It was a lovely hit from him.
Well, it's his first goal since March, Steve. And whatever Arsene Wenger said at half-time has had the desired effect. The poker face from the Arsenal manager, and whatever Simon Grayson said to the Preston players about picking up where they left off, lasted all of 50 seconds or so. He had so many opportunities in the first half. Up it goes towards Giroud. Down it goes now towards Perez. Good defending by Huntington in Italy. And then arriving to score the goal is Olivier Giroud to break the hearts of Preston North End right at the end of the game.
Yeah, well, Olivier Giroud should go right over to Lucas Perez, because it was his wonderful, wonderful flick which gifted him the goal. Simple ball into Giroud, does really, really well. Knocks it down, great one from Perez, but look at this, Fletch. That's beautiful, that. Beautiful. Real bit of class from Lucas Perez. Back heel, and Giroud's there. Good movement from Giroud, he was the sharpest one. He anticipated what was happening. Scuffs it, packs the goalkeeper. Yeah, Simon Grayson trying to G his players of what you fully expect, but
looks as though Arsene Wenger's 1,100